If you're a beginner and you're finding it difficult to create your own baseline, in this video I'll be giving you 3 steps to create your own baseline very easy and simple. Okay, so I want you to grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. But before we start the breakdown, I do private class lessons, so if you're interested, you'll see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. If you're totally beginner, I have a video pack for you. Okay, just click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so as I said earlier, creating your own baseline might be difficult, okay, as a beginner, but there are some things you need to know to create your own baseline. Okay, and we'll be going through these steps. Okay, before you create your own baseline, you need to know the key you are on, and we'll be playing on key G. Okay, and also the progression you are to play that bassline. Okay, so I have a backing track. If you find it interesting and you want to download it, you'll see the link in the comment section. Click on the link, it will take you direct to where you can download it, and you download it and play with it. Okay, so now let's look at the progression we will be tackling on this breakdown. So we will use this rhythm to create our own bassline. Okay, so now the first step on creating your own bassline is for you to play the progression in just a note. Okay, this is how I mean it. So you see that the progression goes like this: your 2, 5, 1. Okay, you see that? Okay, so when you do this to all the progression, you'll be getting more ideas on your next attempt on you creating your own bassline. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, so it's very simple. You just have to concentrate on the notes and fixing the notes in the progression with the right timing. Okay, you understand the progression first. Okay, the same pattern. Okay, then we are now going to look at the second step on how you can create your own bassline. Okay, so what I did on this second step was very simple. Okay, I was plucking the note and I was also adding a ghost note to make it more groovy. Okay, so what I did on this second bassline goes like this. You understand? Okay, so I pluck 2 times, then I ghost note once, then I pluck the 3rd time. Okay, you understand? Okay, so you see the difference between the first one and the second one. Okay, so the first one just normal 1 note, the second one, you understand? Okay, so you do this throughout the whole notes or the progression, you understand? So okay, understand? Okay, I hope you're getting the vibe. Okay, practice with this second one very, very well. Okay, steady on how you pluck. Okay, so this is how I pluck it. It goes like this. So 1 2. Okay, so 1 2, then the first one will pluck the ghost note. Okay, so 1 2 1 ghost note. Okay, 1 2 1 ghost note. Then the second finger will pluck the third note. Okay, you understand? Okay, do it in all the progression. You got that? You understand? Okay. So now the third step, we'll be adding the roots and the octave. Okay, so anytime you want to create your bass line to make it catchy, try using the first step, the second step, and the third step. Okay, so this is what I did in the third step. Try to catch something in. Okay, so you see the difference from this to the second one. Okay, so you understand? Okay, so you apply this bass line to every note. Okay, so your roots and your octave. I hope you got that. Okay, so you do that, then you ghost notes 1, then you play your root note. Okay, okay, you understand? So now to my D. Okay, the same pattern you use. Back to my G. Okay, the same pattern you use. Back to my C. You understand? Okay, so you just need to understand the movement, understand the progression, the groove, and also try to practice with the technique using your ghost note and also maintaining your stability in the groove. Okay, so I think these are the few things you need to know on with your bass line. The first, you just need to steady the progression with just one note, understand the progression. Second, you need to be bringing in the groove little by little, growing it. And thirdly, try bringing the root and the octave. Okay, you can play this root and octave groove in different ways. Okay, just how you will create them your own self, how you understand it. Okay, so try and use these 3 steps and see how you can benefit from it. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.